recording.
Okay. Had to do a stop there. The radar wasn't working. So, okay, now we got it going again. I don't know if you can see that coming up on the screen. Had a gray car just make a safe pass on me, which I appreciate. And got another car coming up on me. You can see that on the screen. And we got another nice safe pass. And on this ride today, I put the crank shortener plates back on, so my pedals are about 20 millimeters closer than what they were, so I'm running at probably about a length of 145 now. I had these on before, but then when I messed up the FNEO drive and put the new drive on, I never put them back on, so I took care of that the other day. And it is punched my cadence up a little bit to maintain the same speed that I normally do. Okay, now coming up here to McFarland Road. This is a four-way that requires a lot of care. There have been several accidents there. In fact, about this time last year, a guy was killed there when a drunk blew through the stoplight without any care and at an excessively high rate of speed. So that's one where we really got to take care and make sure that everything is clear. Do that even in the car. And this is one of my usual subdivisions that I ride through. Very nice homes. And they have some pretty cool Christmas decorations back through here during the season. Well, you probably haven't seen anything up to this point because I had the visor over the camera lens. And if it's too bad, maybe I can edit it out and still save some of this video. I think that's one of the things I'm going to have to do is take a class on video editing. In this ride today, I've changed the mount for the phone to one of the silicone strap spider mounts over the aluminum mount that I had been using. It's a little lighter, puts a little less weight on the top of the fairing, and I moved it. I had it on the left side where the computer is now, and yeah, it's one of those things you don't think about, but switching it like this, now none of the buttons interfere with each other. Duh. It's amazing how when you're riding you don't really notice it, and then middle of the night you get a thought hit your head when you're trying to sleep. Hey dummy, switch the things on the handlebar and it'll be easier. Let's see, this was Newcastle Estates, a very nice subdivision. Back out onto Johnson Road for just a minute, and now into Azalea Trace, another one of my usual routes. Nice quiet neighborhood. Right through here, a lot of times when I'm riding, there'd be a bunch of kids out here playing, and I always get some nice waves from them. Starting right here with this house right in front of me and the houses down the side here, Halloween and Christmas, these folks go all out. In fact, those houses too have always have some really cool decorations. amazing. Moving these pedals back no further than I did, I'm still feeling the difference in my legs. But I think once I get the muscle memory back to this point, I think it'll be all right. I don't know, so far this now we're down on the Scott Dairy Loop. Oh, and a possum that ain't taking it. And now we're going to go into Stillwater, another one of my usual rides. This is a very neat subdivision. They have a really pretty lake right now. I guess because the weather got cold, they've got the fountain shut off. But if you followed my ride and you've seen some of the pictures, this is where some of them were shot at. And I think with that, we've ridden 3.2 miles. I'm going to go ahead and shut this off for now. Make sure that it's halfway decent so we don't get any more boring video. Thanks for riding along. See you later. And now here's something you don't see every day. Got a covered wagon coming down the road, and the horses get kind of spooked by the flags, so I'm going to pull over here, stop, and wait for them to go by. Take and come down a couple gears while we're waiting. Make it easier when we take back off. How cool is this? Oh, they're giving me the once over here. Saying, what the heck is that thing? Yeah, they don't like the flags on the trike fluttering. That kind of spooks them. But that was pretty darn cool.